yogis! I'm so happy you're here today. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more calming yoga practices. Take a deep breath in and let's begin. Bring your big toes together and gently sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward and let your forehead rest softly. Allow your whole body to melt into the pose. This is a place of safety, comfort, and peace. Let your breath slow down as you arrive here. Come onto your hands and knees. Round your back like a stretching cat. And then drop your belly and look up like a soft, gentle cow. Keep flowing with your breath. Cat, cow, cat, cow. Stand tall and softly fold forward from your hips. Let your arms hang heavy. Let your head relax completely. Imagine the tension sliding out of your body, dripping toward the ground. Breathe slowly and allow everything to soften. Lie on your back and extend your legs straight up toward the sky. Relax your arms beside your body. This pose gently slows your heart rate and brings a wave of calm over your mind. Let yourself feel light, quiet, peaceful. Sit with your legs stretched out in front. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Exhale and fold slowly over your legs. You don't need to reach your toes. Just allow your body to release and soften. Bend your knees and place your feet on the floor. As you inhale, lift your hips gently. Keep your shoulders grounded. Feel strength rising through your body. Feel supported from within. Let one knee cross over your body to the opposite side. Extend your arms open and let your gaze follow the opposite hand. Let your spine unwind gently. Let your thoughts soften and drift away. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed. Rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Feel balanced, centered, and grounded in your breath. Stand tall with your feet rooted into the ground. Relax your arms at your sides. Take a slow breath in and feel steady, strong, and present, like a peaceful mountain standing in silence. Lie on your back and let your entire body rest. Release everything you're holding. There is nothing to do. Just breathe. Inhale softly. Exhale completely. Enjoy this moment of deep peace. beautiful job today. Your body, your heart, and your mind thank you. If this practice helped you, please tap the like button and subscribe so you won't miss our next calming yoga session. Share this video with someone you love who could use a moment of peace today. Take one more deep breath in and a slow breath out. Smile gently, relax, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends.